Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to go over the steps on how you remove this rear bumper cover on this Buick Enclave. This applies to models 2018 and up. What you have to do is you'll have to come here and remove that. Those are 7mm bolts. There you got one there. They do have a little cap here, you can see similar to this, but it just pops right off and then your bolts are exposed. 1, 2, 3. And then you have the same over here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this right here kind of snaps in right there, but you don't have to worry about quite yet, and it snaps in right here. But you have a screw, a 7mm on this side that goes straight up right here, so you have to move this down a little bit and then you'll see the exposed screw right down there. You also have these retainers that secure the liner to the bumper. You can see it's removed here. Let me show you on the other side. So these retainers all over, but these come off. We'll secure this with screws in this case, and then this bolt right here. Once you have this off, there's two other places that you need to also disconnect before, and it's down here. You can see that piece right there that needs to come off. Okay, so that's one there, and there's the other end is over here, so those need to come off as well. Two screws, retainers, whatever is down there. And once that off, then the bumper, what you need to do, it's better to have two people, one on that side, one on this, and then you grab it right here and then just pull this and just pull it here. You'll just snap off right here. I'll snap off there and on the other side, and that's it. Pretty straightforward. It does have a few screws that you need to disconnect, but it's very simple. One thing to keep in mind is this piece right here can be replaced on its own. The same on the other side. This is kind of a different piece. In order to replace this, you do have to take the whole piece out and replace it. You got 7mm screws all along here, and that's what joins these two, the lower part with this piece. That's how they're joined together. That's all. Thank you for watching.